Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print document from Pinterest. So here there are two options that you can do. If you want to print the whole page, you can just open Pinterest on your browser like this and then click on the three dots icon on your browser. This one, I'm using a Google Chrome as my browser. Then after that, you can just click on print, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus P. So now it's loading. You can see this is the document page that I want to print. For example, here you can choose the print destination, which is the print device, and you can also choose the pages, and here you can set the color black and white or color. You can use more settings if you like it. You can adjust the paper size and margins and others, and after that you can click on print. So that's the first option. But if you want to only print a certain images, for example, I want to print this pictures or images, here you can just click on this three dots icon and then download the image first, and after that you can just print the image directly from your computer. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.